Do you sit in a chair for 8 or 10 hours every single day?
And do you think you are perfectly healthy just because you never smoke cigarettes?
Welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone. Today we are talking about a very interesting health topic. It is a big question for many people.
Exactly. We are looking at a very common daily habit. Why do doctors say that sitting too much is the new smoking?
I am proud because I never smoke. But I sit at my computer from 9 to 6 every day. Is my office chair really that dangerous, Ben?
Oh, your chair is a much bigger problem than you think. Let's get into it.
So, let's talk about the problem first. I think I live a very healthy life. I eat vegetables, I drink plenty of water, and I never smoke or drink alcohol.
That is wonderful, Anna. Those are all very good habits. But let's talk about your typical workday.
Okay. I wake up and sit in my car to drive to work. I arrive at the office and sit at my desk. I look at my computer screen from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening.
And when you finally go home after a long day?
I feel completely exhausted, so I sit on my comfortable sofa, eat my dinner, and watch TV for 2 or 3 hours.
So you sit in the car, then you sit at work for 8 hours, then you sit on the sofa. You are sitting for maybe 10 or 11 hours total every day.
When you say it out loud like that, it does sound like a lot.
It is a huge amount. And here is the truth. Sitting for that many hours every day is harmful to your body.
Harmful means something that causes damage or injury, right? But how can sitting in a soft chair be harmful? I am not doing anything bad.
That is the big wrong idea that almost everyone has. People believe, I do not smoke, so my heart is safe. But your heart health is not only about what you put into your body. It is also about how much you move your body.
Move my body? But I am tired from working. I need to rest on my sofa.
Resting for a short time after hard work is totally fine. But there is a big difference between resting for 30 minutes and sitting completely still for 10 hours. After 10 hours of no movement, your body is not resting. It is slowly shutting down.
Shutting down? Like when a computer runs out of power and turns off?
Exactly that. And when the body shuts down like this every single day for many years, it is very harmful to your heart. Doctors say the damage is similar to what smoking cigarettes does.
I cannot believe it. My comfortable office chair is secretly hurting my heart the same way a cigarette does?
Exactly. And the most dangerous part is that you cannot feel the damage today. It happens very slowly, deep inside your body. We need to look at exactly what happens. Let's find out the truth. Welcome back, everyone. Let's look at the facts. First, let's understand how your heart works and why it needs your body to move.
I know my heart beats all day and night. It is the most important muscle in my body.
Yes, your heart's main job is to pump blood around your whole body, to your brain, your lungs, your stomach, and down to your feet.
To pump means to push a liquid with force, right? Like a water pump, pushing water through pipes to every room in a building.
Perfect example. Now, here is the important secret. Your heart cannot do this big job alone. It needs a helper. And that helper is the muscles in your legs.
My leg muscles? How do my legs help my heart?
When you stand up and walk, your leg muscles work and squeeze together. This squeezing action helps push the blood from your legs back up to your heart.
Oh, so my legs are like a second pump. They help the blood travel back up against gravity.
Exactly. Your heart pumps the blood down. Your legs pump it back up. It is a team effort. Now, think about what happens when you sit still at your desk for 8 straight hours.
My legs are completely still. They are just resting under my desk. They are not squeezing or pushing anything.
Right. Without the help from your leg muscles, the blood cannot flow well.
To flow means to move smoothly and continuously, like water in a river. So without my legs working, my blood river slows down.
It slows down a lot. And when blood does not flow well, several bad things happen in your body. First, the fat and sugar from your food cannot be cleaned out of your blood. They just stay there and build up over time. Second, your body stops burning energy efficiently.
So I sit all day, I do not burn energy, and the bad stuff in my blood just builds up?
Yes. And over many years, this slow blood flow and fat buildup damages the walls of your blood vessels. It makes your heart work much harder than it should. This leads to the same serious health problems that smoking causes.
I feel very worried now. But I cannot quit my job. I need to work at my computer to earn money. What can I do?
Good news. The solution is very, very simple. You do not need to go to a gym. Solution number 1. Every 30 minutes, take a movement break.
A movement break. That means I stop working and move my body for a short time.
Yes, just 1 or 2 minutes is enough. Stand up from your chair and stretch your body.
To stretch means to make your arms and back as long and as straight as possible to relax your tight muscles.
Exactly. Reach your arms up to the ceiling. Roll your shoulders. Walk to the kitchen to get water. Walk to the window and look outside. Just 2 minutes of movement wakes up your leg muscles and gets your blood flowing again.
2 minutes, every 30 minutes. That is not hard at all. I just need to remember to do it. I will set a timer on my phone.
A timer is perfect. Now, solution number 2 is about changing your work environment. If you have the budget, consider buying a standing desk.
A standing desk. That is a tall table where you can stand up and still work comfortably on your computer, right?
Yes. Many modern standing desks can go up and down with a button. You can sit for 1 hour, then raise the desk and stand for the next hour. Your legs are active the whole time, even while you are working.
If my legs are active all day, my blood will flow well, and my heart will be much healthier. I need to talk to my boss about a standing desk.
It is worth asking. And solution number 3 is the easiest one of all. Build small active habits into your normal day.
Active habits. That means small things I do regularly that keep my body moving?
Yes. For example, when you get a phone call, stand up and walk around the room while you talk. Do not send an email to your coworker, walk to their desk instead. Do not take the elevator, take the stairs. Park your car a little further away from the office and walk 5 minutes more.
None of those things are difficult. They do not feel like exercise at all.
And that is the point. You do not need to run a marathon every morning. Research shows that moving your body for a few minutes every hour, all day long, is much better for your heart than sitting for 10 hours and then doing 1 hour of hard exercise.
That is such good news. Movement does not have to be painful or exhausting. It just needs to happen often.
Exactly. Your body is designed to move. A little movement every 30 minutes is all it takes to keep your blood flowing, protect your heart, and give you much more energy for the rest of the day.
I am going to do all 3 things. Take a movement break every 30 minutes, look into a standing desk, and build small active habits every day. My heart is going to be so much happier.
So, let's quickly recap today's episode. Sitting in a chair all day is harmful to your heart, even if you never smoke. When you stop moving, your blood cannot flow well, and your heart slowly gets weaker.
Exactly. Take a movement break every 30 minutes. Try a standing desk, and add small active habits to your day. Your heart will thank you. Now, let's review 5 important words from today's talk. Ben, what is number 1?
Number 1 is harmful. This adjective means something causes damage or injury to your body. Sitting too much for too many hours is harmful to your heart.
Number 2 is pump. This verb means to push a liquid with force through your body. Your heart pumps blood, and your leg muscles help it do that job.
Number 3 is flow. To flow means to move smoothly and continuously. When you sit all day, your blood cannot flow well, and that is dangerous.
Number 4 is stretch. This means to make your arms, legs, or back long and straight. You should stand up and stretch your body every 30 minutes.
And the last one, number 5, is standing desk. This is a tall, adjustable table that lets you work while standing up. It keeps your legs active and your blood flowing all day.
That is all for today's episode of Everyday English Talk. We hope you learned something new and useful for your heart health.
So, what about you? Are you sitting down right now while you listen to us?
Stand up and stretch your arms right now. Leave a comment and tell us how many hours you sit every day. Thank you so much for listening.
We will see you in the next episode. And always remember, keep moving, keep smiling.
Goodbye.